Good morning, Aisha. So yeah, I think after a 250 point kind of a correction on the index, we're seeing a bit of a bounce on the index. Now we'll probably expect that the index, if it breaks past about the 20,700, 750 mark, then we could probably be talking of a possible strong reversal on the upside. But then what happened yesterday in terms of closing basis, we managed to break below a lot of important support points, a lot of indicators turned negative in terms of the trend indicators for the indices, and I think that is one of the major concerns for the markets emerging. So even if we see bounces of this category, we will have to see that whether these bounces are actually good enough to try and convert them into a decent short-term uptrend, and whether we scale past about the previous swing highs and make new highs for the indices. So as of now, it looks like that the indices would probably grind into a bit of a range. We've been stuck into this 300-point range earlier, 21,500 to 21,800 approximately on the Nifty. It seems like that I think we would probably continue to grind a bit more from into this range from the next couple of days perspective. But if we break below that 21,500 mark, I would probably expect that we could probably be seeing another 500 to 700 point cuts on the Nifty.
Nooresh Merani is also with us. And Nooresh, take us through your views as we were just on the brink of the 21,500 mark in yesterday's trading day. On the back of the fact that we've got a strong handover from Wall Street, is that spelling out good news for us?
So what we are getting into is possibly some bit of a consolidation. We had a good run in the indices across the board, whether it was the large cap or the mid cap indices. So time for a pause. It's just that we've not even broken the recent swing lows. If we start breaking 21,500, sustaining, then we go back and test the 21,000, 21,200 mark, which is the major support in the near term. In the same way, on the upside, we need to break 21,800, 850 levels for a fresh rally. So getting into a range bound move, we could continue to see stock specific action, but one will need to be more careful, reduce size because the momentum could reduce going forward.